I love making drinks. It's a great art form. Serving people, making them happy, and being able to express myself in a way that I enjoy is fantastic. Today I'll be making the Flaming Youth. It's a little bit of a mash-up between a Gimlet and a Margarita. You've got your classic Gimlet bits and pieces in there, so just gin, sugar and lime. It's always nice to use an Australian gin, I think. Plus it's got a lovely fruity, sort of citrusy flavour to it. And then we're using a tequila float and a little bit of hopped grapefruit bitters and Saint Germain to tie it all together. It's just that feeling when you see someone who's like really happy, they take that first sip, they walk off talking to their friends, oh, isn't this fantastic? And you just feel so great. It's a really good feeling.